So I got a package from Silly Squishies. It just came, so I'm about to open it with the scissors. I'm really excited. I already purchased one thing. Ooh. Okay. So I ordered a Hello Kitty donut. Here's a tag. It is. Whoa. Okay. That is really squishy. I really like this. Okay. And on the back it says Hello Kitty scenario. Let me see if there's anything else. Okay, that was that. So yeah, I only purchased one thing. But this thing is huge. And it is licensed on the back. You can see. So I ordered the light pink version with a chocolate bow and like some of these little balls on top of powder sugar on the bottom. But yeah. So that's all I purchased from Silly Squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. Bye!